I grew this channel from 0 all the way to 10,000 subscribers in under 3 months. And if I wanted to blow up a brand new channel from scratch, I would follow the exact 10 steps that I'm about to show you in the next 17 minutes. I've now helped grow 4 YouTube channels to over 100,000 subscribers in the last year using this simple step-by-step process. And if you follow it for your channel, it will allow you to blow up so fast it feels illegal. You first need to understand that your YouTube channel is the exact same as this book. This book is about advertising, and literally every single chapter in here teaches you about how to advertise. But what do you think would happen if one of the chapters was about how to make fettuccine pasta? It would be completely random and it would probably make you stop reading, or at the very least just skip the chapter. You see, your YouTube channel is the exact same way. Your YouTube channel should be about one topic, one book title. For example, this channel would probably be titled something like YouTube Growth Made Simple. And every single video that you make should contribute to the topic that you talk about. Just like every single chapter in a book contributes to the title. If you have a channel that teaches people about how to start a business, don't randomly go and start vlogging. Only make videos about business. It sounds simple, but so many people get this wrong. Because you have to understand that your YouTube channel is for one person. You see, the guy who controls the YouTube algorithm recently made some changes that give small channels a huge advantage. And in a recent interview, he explained exactly how it works.
The way the system's working is actually, it's not just using that average view duration or that average click-through rate, it's using the performance data as input, but ultimately trying to understand and predict for each viewer.
You see, the YouTube algorithm used to work like this, but now it works like this, which means that if you start with your viewers, the algorithm will pick up your videos faster and you will get views a lot longer. To do this, all you need is this cheat sheet right here. Fill this out with exactly who you want to target, throw it into ChatGPT, and ask it to give all of their desires, triggers, and pain points. Add what it puts out into your titles, your thumbnails, your scripts, your edits, and I can guarantee that you will instantly see a huge jump in views. Now that you know who you're making videos for, you need to build your branding around them. You see, your YouTube channel is a Pinterest board. The most successful channels have a vibe to them, same as you would see on your Pinterest homepage. How I do this is I go to Pinterest and I start a new collection and I add photos that I want my channel to look like. A really good example of this is Iman Gaji, one of the biggest channels in the business space. If you look up old money, you can see that this is where Iman got so much of his inspiration for his brand. So you need to curate your own brand to have consistency in editing style, wardrobe, and cinematics. That brand should start coming in on your very first video. And the best first video that anyone can create on their YouTube channel to start is your story video. You see, when you're starting out on YouTube, nobody has any idea who you are. They don't know you, your story, or why you're different. So the best first video to post on any channel is a channel that starts with your backstory and then walk them through your entire journey to get where you are today. What you've done in the past, what you do now, and what you're trying to do in the future. Now, set this as your channel trailer and start to record more videos. But be careful, because most educational channels make one huge mistake when they start creating content. They either go way too broad or way too niche with their ideas. You see, ideas separate the big channels from the small channels. That's why Mr. Beast, Ryan Trahan, and Iman Gaji pay people 6-figure salaries just to come up with YouTube ideas for them. But as a small YouTuber, if you follow this strategy, I will show you how to come up with proven ideas that get views every single time. It starts with what I like to call the 3 idea buckets. We want to have one bucket be broad, meaning that it reaches everyone we are trying to reach. Then bucket 2 is niche, meaning it solves specific problems for a portion of our viewers. And bucket 3 is random videos like stories, challenges, or any other kind of concept that you want to test. Now, you want to come up with an equal amount of ideas in each bucket using the process of outlier analysis, which is actually very, very simple. All you need to do is look at and find videos that have a lot of views but not a lot of subscribers. Videos like this, and this. These are proven videos that almost work on every single channel that makes them. And finding these outlier concepts is like striking gold on YouTube. And once you find one, you want to use AI to write it. Let's say that I have a video titled How to Get 1,000 Subscribers Starting from 0. Now, I could drop that concept right into ChatGPT and give it this prompt using the ICP doc that I gave you earlier to tailor the script custom to my audience. This will give you a very, very good base script that you can go through, edit, and then record. And using AI to write these scripts is a literal cheat code because it allows you to write videos in minutes. And the more content you post, the faster you grow. After you record, you need to dial in your packaging or your title plus thumbnail combination. Now, titles plus thumbnails are like the key to going viral. For example, one of our clients, Daryl, got over 100,000 views on his first ever YouTube video because he used proven packaging from this video plus this video put together. And once you understand how to do this, it will finally allow you to escape the small YouTuber trap and hit your first 1,000, 10,000, and eventually 100,000 subscribers. To find titles, you want to start with the base. How to get 1,000 subscribers. How to cook fettuccine. Then you want to make the title either faster, have a higher likelihood of achievement, or make it less effort. How to get 1,000 subscribers fast. How to cook perfect fettuccine every time. How to make $1 million working 4 hours a day. And now that you have your title, you simply need to find a proven thumbnail to go along with it. Look for outlier videos and then change them to work with your video. For example, this thumbnail can be used in any Make Money Online video, or this one by Mark Tilbury that can be transferred over to any video about doing something lazily. Now you are ready to post your video. And there's actually a posting strategy that I've started doing recently that's allowed me to get more views, subscribers, and reach on my videos without doing any extra work. It starts with the upload. Structure your description like this, adding one line, one hashtag, and then timestamps. Then always add an end screen, because YouTube doesn't just track how long someone watches your video, they actually track how long someone watches any video on YouTube after watching your video. So having another video to point back to is like a cheat code for the algorithm. Other than that, just add 5 to 10 tags that tell YouTube who to send your video to. Schedule your content out between 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. EST if you're making content for American viewers, or 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. wherever you are in the world. This gives your viewers the entire day to watch your video, meaning that it gets more clicks on day one, which tells the YouTube algorithm that they should push it to more people. And pro tip, if you post at a 15-minute interval, meaning 9:15 a.m., 10:15 a.m., 10:45 a.m., there's way less other people posting at that same exact time, which gives your video a competitive advantage, which makes it even more likely to blow up. And for the fastest possible results, I would recommend you post 3 times per week. 2 and 1 is completely okay, but for pure speed, 3 times is the sweet spot. And if you're doing all of these 10 steps that I just broke down, then your channel will blow up. But to have success long term, you need to understand how to make amazing videos. And that's why I put together a completely free YouTube course with over 6 hours of content, showing you literally everything that you need to know in order to grow a YouTube channel to 100,000 subscribers in 2025. We give away everything that you need to build your channel completely for free. So watch this video next, where I'll show you how to get access, what you'll learn, and how you can use the information inside to get 100,000 subscribers in the next year. Thanks and have a great day.